Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Turnitin. In 2085, Turnitin remained a prominent tool in academic integrity, expanding its capabilities to dictate AI-generated content. Its AI writing detection features is integrated into the similarity report, providing educators with a percentage score indicating the likelihood of an AI enforcement and highlighting specific sections of concern. Turnitin claimed a 98% confidence level in identifying a content produced by a models like GPT-3 and a GPT-3.5 based on internal testing. The system analyzes the linguistic pattern and sentence structure typically of AI-generated text, offering a coded interface for essence of interpretation. However, the tool is not without limitation. Users have reported false positives where human writing content, especially with a formal or academic tone, is flagged as AI-generated. Conversely, heavily edited AI-generated text may evade detection. The lack of transparency in the detection algorithm and the inability to adjust sensitivity settings have also been pointed out critically. However, Turnitin AI detection is primarily available to institutions, limiting access for individual users. Despite these challenges, the Turnitin AI detection serves as the valuable tools for educators, though it should be used in conjunction with other methods to assess the originality of students' work.